The story of the first successful powered flight is one of human ingenuity, persistence, and a profound belief in the possibilities of human innovation. This tale revolves around two brothers from Dayton, Ohio, Wilbur and Orville Wright, who, against all odds, achieved what many thought was impossible. Prologue: The Dream of Flight. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the idea of flight. From the myth of Icarus to Leonardo da Vinci's sketches of flying machines, the dream of soaring through the skies has been a constant aspiration. By the late 19th century, this dream was tantalizingly close, with various inventors making incremental advances in aviation. However, it was the Wright brothers who would finally unlock the secrets of control-powered flight. The Wright brothers, early years and inspirations. Wilbur Wright was born on 16 April 1867, and his brother Orville on 19 August 1871. The sons of Milton Wright, a bishop, and Susan Corner Wright, they grew up in a nurturing environment that encouraged curiosity and learning. From a young age, the brothers were fascinated by mechanics and engineering. Their interest in flight was sparked by a toy helicopter, powered by a rubber band, given to them by their father. This simple toy ignited a lifelong passion. In 1889, the brothers started their own newspaper, the West Side News, and later shifted their focus to bicycles, opening the Wright Cycle Company in 1892. Their success in the bicycle business provided them with the financial resources and mechanical expertise to pursue their true passion, aviation. The quest for flight, research and experimentation. The Wright brothers began their serious study of flight in the late 1890s. They were inspired by the work of pioneers such as Otto Lilienthal, a German aviation enthusiast who had made over 2,000 glider flights. The brothers meticulously studied Lilienthal's data, as well as the works of other aviation pioneers like Octave Chanute and Samuel Langley. In 1899, Wilbur wrote to the Smithsonian Institution, requesting information on aeronautics, which further fueled their research. They realized that achieving controlled flight required mastering three key principles: lift, propulsion, and control. First, gliders, trials and errors. In 1900, the Wright brothers traveled to Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, a location chosen for its steady winds and soft sandy landing surfaces. They conducted tests with their first glider, a biplane kite, and gathered valuable data on lift and drag. However, their initial gliders did not perform as expected. Undeterred, they continued refining their designs. The following year, they returned with a new glider, which performed better but still had issues with control. The brothers discovered that they needed a more effective way to control the aircraft in flight. This led to their invention of a three-axis control system, which allowed the pilot to steer the aircraft effectively and maintain its equilibrium. This breakthrough was crucial for the development of a practical airplane. The wind tunnel, precision and innovation. In 1901, frustrated with the inaccuracies of existing aerodynamic data, the Wright brothers built their own wind tunnel to conduct systematic experiments. They tested over 200 different wing designs and gathered precise data on lift and drag. This innovative approach allowed them to develop more efficient wing shapes and better control mechanisms. The first powered aircraft, the Wright Flyer. Armed with their newfound knowledge, the Wright brothers began constructing their first powered aircraft, the Wright Flyer. They designed the lightweight, four-cylinder engine with the help of their mechanic, Charlie Taylor. The engine produced 12 horsepower, which was sufficient to propel the aircraft. The Wright Flyer was a biplane with a wingspan of 12.3 meters, 40 feet, and a length of 6.4 meters, 21 feet. It featured a unique control system that allowed the pilot to steer the aircraft by warping the wings and controlling the rudder simultaneously. The historic flight, 17th December 1903. On 17th December 1903, the Wright brothers made their way to the dunes of Kill Devil Hills near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. The weather was cold and windy, with a 27 miles per hour headwind, perfect conditions for their tests. The brothers decided that Orville would pilot the first flight, while Wilbur would assist with the launch. At 10:35 AM the Wright flyer took off, with Orville at the controls. The aircraft flew for 12 seconds, covering a distance of 120 feet. Though short, this flight marked the first time a heavier-than-air powered aircraft achieved controlled, sustained flight with a pilot aboard. Over the course of the day, the brothers made 3 more flights, with the final flight lasting 59 seconds and covering a distance of 852 feet. The aftermath, recognition and development. Despite their groundbreaking achievement, the Wright brothers faced skepticism from the public and the scientific community. They continued to refine their designs and conduct further tests, gradually gaining recognition. In 1904 and 1905, they made significant improvements to their aircraft, achieving longer and more controlled flights. By 1908, the Wright brothers had demonstrated their aircraft to the U.S. Army and European audiences, solidifying their place in history as the inventors of the first successful powered airplane. Their company, the Wright Company, played a crucial role in the early development of aviation, training pilots and manufacturing aircraft. Legacy, pioneers of aviation. The Wright brothers' achievement was not just a technological milestone but a testament to human determination and ingenuity. Their meticulous approach, combining scientific research with practical experimentation, set the standard for future aviation pioneers. Wilbur Wright passed away in 1912, but Orville lived to see the rapid advancement of aviation technology, witnessing the transition from fragile biplanes to powerful jets. Orville passed away in 1948, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire generations of aviators and engineers. The story of the Wright brothers and the invention of the first successful powered flight is a story of dreams turned into reality through perseverance, innovation, and an unyielding belief in the possibilities of human ingenuity. Their legacy endures in every airplane that takes to the skies, a testament to the power of imagination and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Thus, the tale of the Wright brothers is a story of triumph over adversity, a celebration of human spirit, and a reminder that with vision and dedication, even the sky is not the limit.
Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more interesting video.